Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How many of you have known someone affected by stroke, epilepsy, dementia, or even depression? You're not alone. Neurological or mental health condition affects hundreds of millions of people globally. Brain health is not just about treating disease, it's about protecting who we are, how we think, move, and connect. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dini Anissa. I'm lecturer from Medical Laboratory Technology Department of Bandung Ministry of Health Polytechnic, or mostly known as Poltekkes Kemenkes Bandung. When we talk about brain health, we often picture doctors, nurses, neurologists, or even therapists. But today, I would like to bring attention to a crucial, often unseen part of healthcare system, that is medical laboratory technologies. We are scientific background behind every diagnosis, monitoring, and innovation, and our role in brain health is more essential now than ever. There are 3 points that I want to deliver to you on this occasion. The first is innovation. We can unlock the brain's mysteries through technology and science. Have you ever wondered how doctors diagnose Alzheimer's before symptoms appear? Or how can we detect biochemical changes in the brain that can't be seen in an MRI? Much of this progress comes from laboratory, driven by the expertise of medical laboratory technologies. Take, for instance, biomarkers, neurofilament light chain, or amyloid beta. These are proteins that can be found in cerebrospinal fluid or blood, which indicate the brain damage or neurodegenerative processes. This is the medical laboratory technology's job to ensure that these complex tests are performed with accuracy and consistency. And with the rise of personalized medicine, we now work with genetic sequencing technology. We help identify mutations that can be a percent risk for conditions like Parkinson's disease or Huntington's disease. In short, we don't just follow science, we apply it. We take discoveries from research bench and help bring them to the patient bedside. That's innovation in action. The second is prevention. We identify risk before symptoms begin. Did you know that medical laboratory technologies also play a vital role in preventing brain disease? Most people think of lab tests as something you get after you're sick. But let's imagine this. If you're a healthy individual, but during your annual screening, your lab results show signs of chronic inflammation or perhaps elevated homocysteine, which is a risk factor for stroke or cognitive decline. Thanks to laboratory tests, the doctors can take an early action. They might recommend lifestyle changing, medication, or further imaging, all before symptoms even appear. And in other cases, we can even detect infections or autoimmune conditions that can silently attack the nervous system, like neurosyphilis or autoimmune encephalitis. And here's something exciting. Recent advances allow medical laboratory technologies to contribute to population-based brain health screening using artificial intelligence or big data analytics to identify at-group risk and patterns of brain-related diseases. Prevention begins in the lab and every test counts. The third is caring. We can support long-time management of brain disorders. Brain health is rarely a one-time diagnosis. Conditions like multiple sclerosis, epilepsy, or traumatic brain injury require long-time monitoring and precise adjustments in treatment. This is where medical laboratory technologies continue to play a key role. We track the disease progression through regular blood and fluid tests, monitor drug levels and side effects, and produce data physicians rely on to make informed decisions. We may not always be visible to patients, but behind every decision, there's our data, our analysis, our vigilance. That's the power of care in laboratory medicine. So, let me ask you again, How can we transform brain health without accurate diagnostics? How can we innovate, prevent, or care if we don't know what's happening inside the brain? Medical laboratory technologies are not just handling samples, we're handling lives. We're not just producing results, we're producing insight. In a time when brain health is more important than ever, facing challenges from aging, stress, digital overload, or neurodegenerative diseases, medical laboratory technologies are stepping up with science, precision, and passion. Let's give voice to the lab. Let's recognize medical laboratory technologies not just as background support, but as active leaders in the journey of brain health through innovation, prevention, and compassionate care. And next time you think about brain health, I hope you remember there's a lab behind every breakthrough. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.